Hi friends, welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese everyday food. I'm back. Today I'm going to be making shumai. Shumai is one of the most popular dim sum dish all around the world. We made some arrangements to Japanese taste. Let's get started. Today I introduce you to 3 types of finishing. Rinse your sticky rice and soak in cold water for a couple of hours. Mix potato starch and egg whites until well combined. Set aside. This is a strong binder to create bouncy and juicy texture. Mince your onion into 5mm dice. Wash and clean your shrimp and pat dry. Remove the vein with a toothpick. Chop into small dice. I add lots of onion to give it a natural sweetness. Shrimp makes it tastier, give it a nice crunch. Add all the seasonings to ground pork. Mix well with your hand. When it mixes well, add shrimp and mix. Add binder and onion. Mix until well combined. Last but not least, add sesame oil. Smells fantastic. The filling is done. Before shaping, take out a teaspoon of mixture to a ramekin. Microwave it 20 seconds on 600 watt. If it tastes good, go on to the shaping. If it doesn't taste good, add some more seasonings to your liking. This is a very important step as a recipe developer. Please do this before ruining all the ingredients. Divide the mixture into a ping pong ball. Roll it on rice. Coat all over the surface with rice. Place it on a steamer lined with parchment paper or lettuce or cabbage. Anything you have on your hand. If you are using shumai wrapper, take one wrapper on your hand, put the filling onto it, and shape it into a cylinder. Flatten the surface and the bottom. Place them on the steamer. Alternatively, you can do it in this way. Cut the wrapper into strips and loosely wrap the filling. This is easiest way to finish your shumai. Steam the shumai for 15 minutes on high heat. The moment of truth. Ta-da! There you have your shumai. Serve immediately with soy sauce and mustard if you wanted to. Shumai should stand upright, so we need a strong binder. Otherwise, it can't hold its shape. Potato starch and egg whites work perfectly. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Click like if you like it and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please visit my website for more information and follow me on my social media for daily updates. And the store on Amazon is open 24/7, so you can check the ingredients and tools. The link is in the description box below. Thanks again, and I will catch you again in a week. Bye!